Hi class, we've done this before, and with the lesson you told me that it wasn't loud enough. So I hope it's loud enough this time, plus I have the speakers on. So China should be nice and awake now, because I'm loud enough, right? Okay, the lesson is, we've been going over finances for when you're in college and everything. So now I told you we were going to get to the Excel spreadsheets, and I'll teach you how to automatically calculate. This spreadsheet here is the college monthly budget. Projected cost means that you're not sure the exact cost, but you're given a roundabout estimate of what you think it'll cost for the month. Then the actual cost is after you've actually purchased it and you have the receipts, you're going to enter that there. Now this is just a sample, and I'm going to have you do the sample, but the actual project is a much broader project. It's like the budget challenge we did where you're pretending that you have a job and everything. We're going to use this Excel spreadsheet for that, but it's going to be a different spreadsheet where you're going to calculate your bills every month. Well, we only have 1 month before school's out, but that'll help. So for food, let's estimate a college person by yourself. Let's estimate $300 for food. For transportation, if you don't have a car, we can say you're taking the bus and you're walking a lot. I'm not sure. Maybe we could say $50 a month. I don't know. I don't know too much about that. For entertainment, that's if you're renting a movie, if you're going out to dinner, you're going out to a movie, you're going out to a dance. All that counts if you want to do that every other day or every week. That may be $20 a pop, depending on where you're going. So let's just estimate that as $200. Now, ladies, girls, we know we like to get our hair done, and boys, we get our hair cut. The cuts aren't as pricey as the girls getting your hair done because everybody wants the little weave and the color and change it every week. But when you get in college and you have to budget, sometimes you can't get the weave. So let's be realistic with the estimating the hair and the cut. It could waver between like $40 a month for boys and maybe $100 a month for girls. So right now we're not going to do the actual cost, but when we get the actual worksheet for the budget, what I do want to show you is how to add this total. Okay, so say we have more than that, but right now we have this. We have the total here. It's in column E, okay? And these are the rows. So to add this up, you need to put an equal sign and say here's the E3 plus E6. Now, the reason why I put it here is because this is where the total is going to end up. So we see that it's E here at the top, and I wish the pointer worked better, but this is a cheap, I got screencast for free, so it's not going to be perfect. But the E is at the top, and then the numbers are over here at the side. So now let's press enter, and there we go. Now, is that correct? It does not look correct. So it has to be E3, 4, 5, 6. Why isn't that coming out right? E3 plus E6. I see. It's just doing E3 and E6 instead of E3 through E6. Okay, let's try this again. E3 plus E2 plus E4 plus E5 plus. Now we hit enter. Now, a line should go under there. And I don't mind if I'm recording a mistake. I'm not even going to record it over. But this should be correct. 350 plus 200 is 550, and plus 100 is 650. You put the word total. Okay. So, any questions? Because I'm showing this to everybody. And you know what? Since it's Thursday, this may be on the quiz. Now, how do we total in Excel? That's a basic Excel formula. Thank you, and let's get started with the assignment.